back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is processing transactions for retirement plans, and they're not going to require any kind of college degree if you have at least a few years of work experience. We're going to dive all in. The links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, please give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up like button. And of course, if you know anyone who could benefit from these, please pass this along and share with them. Today's job lead, though, is from the company Voya Financial. They have 1,000 reviews from current and past employees on Glassdoor, and they do have a 3.8 out of 5-star employee satisfaction rating. They are hiring a lead record keeper for their Money Out division. Now, this is remote for the United States. Now, Voya Financial is a leading health, wealth, and investment company providing products, solutions, and technology services in the financial field. Now, this position is going to require customer service work. They're looking for somebody to be a lead record keeper in their operations area, delivering cost-effective and superior customer service while processing transactions for those participants in the Voya retirement plans. So you're going to be answering the phones and answering participant questions about their retirement plans and processing these transactions. This is 100% remote work from home job, and you'll basically be reviewing and analyzing for good order death claims. You're going to be entering complex transactions to include the beneficiary RMD calculations and distributions, working with the customers for resolutions of the transactions that are not in good standing order, getting them corrected. You'll work with internal and external business partners as needed, maintaining a department required volume and accuracy level for the position. Now, even though they are hiring within the United States, they're specifically looking for somebody who can work 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Eastern time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. Now, they're requiring either a college degree or equivalent experience. So if you have that experience, they'll waive the degree. The experience is 3 to 5 years of customer service experience. You've got to be good with using a computer, specifically those Microsoft Office applications, great communication skills, and be somebody who is self-motivated and detail-oriented. If this sounds like something that might be for you, pay is dependent on location and experience, but pay is anywhere from $49,620 a year all the way up to $62,020 a year. Of course, they do also offer a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this job lead, give this video a thumbs up, like button. Of course, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.